Next step up from that is something like this, which would be a balaclava type arrangement with a bit of mesh included in it and a way to tighten it up at the back. This one's not bad quality. So this is a 1 Tigris one. So this gives you a little bit of added protection. Now you are getting your ears covered up by, although it's very, very thin material, you are getting your ears covered up by something. This holds itself in place nicely. There is a strap at the back here that I can tighten that down a little bit if I want to, just to stop it moving around. And obviously the mesh is just here. So my cheeks are covered by the fabric, but there is no mesh on my cheeks.